Alrighty, thanks for coming and joining us today. We're at alldiscountparts.com and we've got the world's first lifted Honda Pilot TrailSport. This is a 2022 model, as is the sister version right here. And what we did is laid these out to show you a before and after of what this kit looks like. The kit is made by a company called Traxda, T-R-A-X-D-A, and it is available at the best price ever on the internet at alldiscountparts.com. Now what we've done with this kit is we took the traditional Pilot lift kit, lifting it 3.5 inches in the front and 3 inches in the rear. Now most of you will know the TrailSport version of the Pilot, as with the other TrailSports such as the Passport, come with stiffer springs in the rear, which is why this kit is just a touch different than what you would encounter on a normal Pilot. Now what we also did is we chose some 265, 65, 17-inch wheels. These are made by Black Rhino, and they are a 30 offset, which is quite a bit different than the 45 offset that you see on the standard Pilot, which is the way this vehicle came. So you have your before Pilot here, TrailSport, and your after Pilot here. So now we're going to show you just exactly what difference that made in the ride height of this vehicle between a stock Pilot with the stock wheels and tires, and a obviously lifted Pilot with the lifted wheels. So over here, starting first of all in the front, measuring from the bottom of the ground here all the way up to the top, you'll see that we're just at about what, 33 and a fourth, 33 and an eighth, somewhere right around there, okay? 33 and an eighth. Now if we do that same exact measurement right here on level ground, going to the same exact spot, you'll see that we're well over 36. We're now at about 36 and 5/8. So we'll show you the same exact thing in the rear. Now this kit, before I continue on, this car also, to fit this size tire, also has the axle relocation kit, which is also available at the best possible price online at alldiscountparts.com. That was put on the front of this vehicle to make sure that this tire doesn't rub, being that it is so much larger than the stock tire. Let's do that measurement in the rear and see what the rear difference made. So measuring from center of the wheel, again to the top of the wheel well, we are at 33 and a half, I'm gonna say. 33 and a half. Making that same exact measurement here, we're almost exactly at 36, probably 36 and an eighth. So quite a bit difference. Again, what Traxda claims is that there's a 3.5 inch lift on the front and a 3-inch lift in the rear, but you have to keep in mind your tire size that you choose are gonna make a slight difference. And of course, all tires are a little bit different, even if they're the same size. These tires, in case you're curious, happen to be a Toyo Open Country. Again, they are a 265, 65, 17. The wheel is a Black Rhino wheel. It is 8 inches, and it has a 30-inch offset compared to what the Pilot comes with, which is a 8-inch wheel, but it's an 18-inch wheel versus the 17 that we chose. Now these tires are made by Firestone, and these are a 245, 60, 18. So that's obviously giving you an additional ride height difference between the larger tire that you're able to now put, and much needed clearance that you're able to have on this TrailSport here. Hope you enjoyed watching our video today. Again, go to alldiscountparts.com. You can buy these kits. If you don't see what you're looking for, shoot us an email or a phone call and we'll get it for you, guaranteed at the best possible price. Thanks and have a great day.